Well, apparently there's no audio in some clips of my video, so I'm just basically talking about how excited I am for the Acacia Strains album, Slow Decay. I'm maybe a little too excited if you ask me. But yeah, just talking about how great the album is, the artwork and everything about it. I'm just talking about these two songs I haven't heard, which we will be getting into in just a bit. We have two songs that we haven't heard yet, and the first one is Crippling Poison. And the second one, Birds of Paradise, Birds of Prey. They both sound badass. I'm just excited to dive into them. I took a fat ass dab before this video, so. We're gonna hear Crippling Poison first. I'm so excited. Let's do this shit. Give me 1 second. So apologetic, our sorries. We're an epidemic. We will forgive. We have forgotten. Fuck. The fucking bass. I'm sorry, I had to pause it real quick. Can I just fucking say that I love the whole tone overall. The album is so fucking badass. That's all I wanted to say. I'm sorry. Continuing. Don't hit me too hard, Dad. Total fucking failures. I'm a fucking mess. We're going through some shit. I feel fucking sick. I don't feel well. I'm just not myself. Final nail. When the coffin we build. It's the final nail. Oh, dude, this is fucking grimy. When the coffin we build. Final nail. It's so badass. When the coffin we build. It's the final nail. It has a lot of groove. When the coffin we build. There you go. Fuck. That was too short. Too fucking short though, man. Just love the way it fades out. Oh, man, you're killing me. You're killing me here. Jesus. Oh my god. Dude, that one was fucking... That one was beautiful. So... Ah, shit. I was not expecting that, dude. It's just a great way to start my day. I'm a bit late. A few days late, but it's okay. It don't matter. Doesn't matter where I'll get in there, so... I fucking love it. I want to go into the next one. Song number 2, número 2. Birds of Paradise, Birds of Prey. It sounds badass. What? Just like every other song in this album didn't miss. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. If you're enjoying the video, leave a like, possibly subscribe. It's like right there, I think. Alright, let's continue. Birds of Paradise. Here we go now. Yes. I fucking live for the fucking string band. Oh. Woo! It's just straight fucking heat. Oh, okay. I like the melodic take. I just want to pause. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but oh Jesus, I just want to appreciate the fact that the beginning lyrics were, I fell asleep in God's arms and woke up in hell. That's fucking awesome, dude. I don't know, that gave me goosebumps. It's like, ooh, and then the string band came and bent me over, and I was like, bang, bang, ooh. I'm so sorry, but I just had to say that. Anyways, let's continue. Sorry about that, babies. Here we are now. Yes. Ooh, that fucking note. Badass. I love the fact that they went melodic again. And then those... Damn. It's just the certain notes that they put like lying under the actual chord that makes it sound like a different, gives it a different tone, a different note. It just sounds so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so fucking crazy. Oh shit, I thought it was over. Oh my bad. Oh fuck. No fucking way, man. They got me, dude. Holy shit, man. Fuck. For sure. Bravo. Bravo. Great job. Dude, Vincent's vocals are always going to be some of my favorite, man. I just love the tone. Lyrical content, the tone he has. He just sounds so fucking awesome. He sounds like a beast, dude. I fucking love it. I love the album. I'm going to be hearing them all again, for sure. My favorite song on the album, I would say... could very well be, damn, it's really tough. It's between Crossgates, Birds of Paradise, Birds of Prayer. I really fucking love this one right now. Seeing God with Aaron Hurd from Jesus Piece. That one's fucking dope, dude. An Earth Will Become Death is fucking killer, dude. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're all fucking killer, but these are the songs that have been in my brain more. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did with me too. Please leave a like and comment and leave your suggestions in the video. Peace. String band.